Hello and welcome to yet another video edition of College Dekho. This one is for all those aspirants who are willing to apply for admission in FTDI or the Footwear Design and Development Institute. FTDI offers admission in BDS, BBA, MDS, MBA degrees and conducts an entrance exam, FTDI All India Selection Test, popularly known as FTDI AIST, to shortlist deserving candidates. FTDI AIST is one of the most popular institute-level entrance exams for design courses. It is conducted once every year. FTDI entrance exam offers admission at both PG and UG levels across 12 FTDI campuses spread all across India. FTDI AIST offers admission to multiple undergraduate and postgraduate courses. At the UG level, it provides admission to 4 years long BDS Footwear Design and Production, BDS Fashion Design, BDS Leather Goods and Accessories Design, and 3 years long BBA Retail and Fashion Merchandise. At the PG level, it provides admission to MDS Footwear Design and Production and MBA Retail and Fashion Merchandise. They are 2 years long programs that are spread across 4 semesters. Before applying for admission in FTDI, candidates must make sure that they go through the eligibility criteria prescribed by the institute and satisfy all the conditions. For the UG courses, candidates must have completed or must be appearing for the 10+2 or intermediate exam. The aspirant applying for BDS must meet the upper age limit of 25 years. For the MBA, students must have completed a bachelor's degree in any discipline, while for MDS, candidates must have a bachelor's degree in footwear, leather goods, design, fashion, fine arts, architecture, engineering, production or technology. Candidates appearing in the final year may also apply for admission to PG courses offered by FTDI. Let us now discuss the application process of FTDI AIST. The application form is released on the official website of FTDI and only eligible candidates must fill it up and submit the candidature. Entries on the application form must be correct and must only be entered in the English language. The application fee for the entrance exam is ₹600. However, reserved category candidates including SC, ST and PWD candidates are offered a relaxation of ₹300. Their application fee to participate in the application process of FTDI AIST is ₹300. The payment needs to be made through an online mode. Candidates are advised to keep a printout of the application form and the proof of payment for reference purposes. Now let us discuss the exam pattern of FTDI AIST in detail. The entrance exam of FTDI is held through an offline mode and in the English language. There are a total of 150 questions in the UG level and a total of 175 questions at the PG level. The maximum marks for the undergraduate and postgraduate courses is 200. For BDS and BBA admission, every correct question carries 1 mark except those under Business Aptitude Test and Design Aptitude Test, while for MDS and MBA admission, every correct question except those under Quantitative Aptitude carries 1 mark. Every correct attempt under Business Aptitude Test and Design Aptitude Test and Quantitative Aptitude carries 2 marks. There is no negative marking for incorrect answers or unattempted questions. FTDI AIST is divided into various sections. The exam sections in the UG level are Quantitative Aptitude, Verbal Ability, General Awareness and Business Aptitude Test and Design Aptitude Test, whereas the sections under the PG level are Quantitative Aptitude, English Comprehension, General Knowledge and Current Affairs and Management Aptitude Test and Analytical Ability. On the basis of information given in the application forms of FTDI, admit cards of provisionally eligible candidates are made available on the official website of FTDI. Candidates must download it as it is crucial to carry the admit card on the examination day. Aspirants must reach the examination center at least 90 minutes before the commencement of the entrance test. The result, including the merit list, is released on the official website of the institute, and the shortlisted candidates are invited to participate in the counseling process conducted by the Education Institute. Students are offered admission in FTDI based on their ranks, campus preference, and eligibility criteria. They are required to pay the seat allotment fee of ₹25,000 before the deadline to confirm their admission. FTDI AIST is organized to offer admission in various FTDI campuses. The institute is located in East, West, Central, North and South India in cities such as Patna, Kolkata, Jodhpur, Ankleshwar, Guna, Chhindwara, Noida, Fursadganj, Rohtak, Chandigarh, Hyderabad and Chennai. To find out more details about FTDI AIST, make sure to check out the exam page of College Dekho. If you have any doubts regarding the same, feel free to dial the toll-free helpline number 1800-572-9877. For more such informative videos on design admissions and exams, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.